Neurozoom, a food supplement to improve mental health and cognitive performance? Hello guys! Today we are going to talk about a product that is very successful on social networks, Neurozoom. It is a dietary supplement that promises to improve mental health and cognitive performance. According to the manufacturer, Neurozoom can help improve the focus and concentration, increase memory and learning capacity, reduce the stress and anxiety, improve mood and sleep quality. Positive points. Some of the positives of Neurozoom are: it consists of natural ingredients such as vitamins, minerals, and plants. It is easy to take, just one capsule a day. It has 30 days satisfaction guarantee. Where to buy? Neurozoom can only be purchased through the official website of the manufacturer. To help, I will leave the link from the official website in the video description. Conclusion: Neurozoom is a product that can be an interesting option for people looking to improve mental health and cognitive performance. However, it is important to note that there is no scientific evidence to support their claims. The FDA has not evaluated the product and it is not recommended by health professionals.